say a word, Matthew. Not sounds lang. Is that correct?
No.
I will get the iPad if you want to. Do you want me to get the iPad?
No.
Stop that. Say a word. Sige, pag-aaralin ulit kita. Magbasa ka na lang ng story. Gusto mo? Ano kayang sakit kasi? Hindi ba kasing sakit ng ano?